I don't like this that you use it like that. How would you use your Widow ult the best?
I popped it because I thought I heard the Sombra coming up behind me.
It's mostly, I would say, you always gotta think of it as a technical way. In this scenario, you wouldn't have to pop it because you see, you're on the high ground, right? But if he comes on the high ground and you pop your ult, he might kill you or you not, but it's not gonna make a difference if you got walls on. You know you got a team next to you, but you saw you already killed two people, the fight is basically won. If you know you win the fight, you don't need to use your Widow ult. If you already killed 2 people and nobody's dying in your team, then mostly you won the fight, so yeah, as you see here, you jump back to your team, that's the best thing to do, and he didn't kill you. He wouldn't have killed you anyway if you didn't use your ult, so